So let me show you two methods on how to factorize x squared minus x minus 30. For our first method, we'll focus on the factors of 30. So what I'd like to do is I write 30, and the factors of 30 is 1 times 30, 2 times 15, 3 times 10, and 5 times 6. These are the factors of 30, and I wrote them down in their pairs. So if I multiply these pairs with each other, they all will produce an answer of 30. And our aim is to find the pair of numbers that will produce a minus 1 when I add or subtract them together. So I can see that 5 and 6 have a difference of 1. So our numbers inside our brackets would be a 6 and a 5. And in order to get to negative 1, which is the middle term, the 6 needs to be negative and we need to add 5. Then all I need to do is take the x squared and split it between the two brackets. So I'll have x plus 5 and x minus 6 in my second bracket. For our second method, I'll rewrite the 3 terms as 4 terms and use the method of grouping in order to factorize the trinomial. So you can see the coefficients that I'm using multiplied together will produce 30. And if I add minus 6x with plus 5x, that will give me negative x. So when we group, we take out a common factor for 2 terms and a common factor for another set of 2 terms. So in the first 2 terms, we can see that the common factor is x. And when I take out an x, I'm left with x minus 6 for the first 2 terms only. And now for the second 2 terms, my aim is to take out a common factor so that I again can get my bracket of x minus 6. And that common factor would be 5. So if I take out 5, in my second pair of terms, I have a bracket of x minus 6. So I've grouped the first 2 terms together and took out a common factor. And then I grouped my second 2 terms together and also took out a common factor. But I also reproduced the set of brackets which I found with my first pairing. Now we have 2 terms, and our common factor for these 2 terms are x minus 6. So if I take out my common factor of x minus 6, in the first term I'm left with x, and in the second term I'm left with plus 5.